Just Google or Facebook or YouTube the Port Angeles-Sequim, Washington car wash man, motorhome wash man, or just give me a call. Over here in Sequim, Washington, at Castell Insurance. Beautiful car, highly detailed. Got the mini detail package. Look at that. How about that for a center console? This is an amazing car. On the mini detail package, the whole interior gets done, except the roof. All the seats are treated and restored. If you have black, you definitely have to have treat your seats at least every 6 months at least. And then all the rubber is treated also too. Keep it nice and soft. Vinyl is treated. These wheels, boy, highly detailed wheels. I had to use my favorite tool on these wheels, which is this. That's a detailer's favorite tool. Sure, but they turned out wonderful. Get all inside of there where the brake dust collects. Actually, if you let brake dust collect on your inner rim, then it'll change the color of it. So we don't want that to happen. That's why he calls me. He keeps his car pristine. This is a super nice car. Look at the center console for the passengers. How about that? That's amazing, isn't it? We have, it's a platinum edition Porsche Cayenne. Can't see that good there. And you guys have a great day, for sure. Visit Castell Insurance in Sequim, Washington. They're great people.